Are you tired of dealing with ugly damaged nails? LCN or light cured nail reconstruction is the perfect solution to enhance your nails' appearance and promote their health. This innovative technique repairs and strengthens natural nails, making it ideal for those with brittle or injured nails. The process begins with a consultation where the podiatrist or foot health professional assesses your nails. After gently prepping the nail surface, a specialized light cured gel is applied, adhering seamless to your natural nails. This gel is then sculpted and shaped to your desired length and shape. Finally, the practitioner uses a UV or LED lamp to cure the nail, ensuring a strong, durable finish. With LCN reconstruction, the results are immediate. You'll leave with beautifully reconstructed nails that look natural and feel robust. With proper care, these nails can last for several weeks, allowing you to enjoy stunning nails whilst protecting the underlying structure. Experience the perfect blend of beauty and strength with LCN nail reconstruction and unlock the confidence of beautiful, healthy nails.